So we have seen a lot of powers of the president, but what we have to say, though the president possesses a wide range of power, but these are only symbolic, but nominal powers, naam ka vaste powers hai. The actual power of the government came to lie with the Prime Minister and the Union Council. That is the real executive. He is only, president is only the titular head, the nominal head. Actual executive is the council and the Prime Minister. All the powers of the president must be exercised strictly according to the advice of the Prime Minister and not otherwise. When the Prime Minister will say you carry on with these powers, then the President will do. But the President cannot order the Prime Minister. Here we will come to Vice President's power. Now, what are the types of powers and what are their functions? So, first is legislative power. You both of you do, I'll just hear it. First, he is the ex officio chairman. आजकल chairperson बोलता है क्योंकि लड़का लड़की दो ही हो सकते हैं, man woman दोनों. That is the head who is not an official member. Ex officio means the head who is not an official member. So he is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. And he presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha. Then what are the executive powers of him? He performs all the functions of the president in his or her absence or at the expiry of the president's term until the new president is elected to the office. Then we'll talk about the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, short name. Now, the executive is helped by a large body of administrators who are trained ones, trained IAS, IPS, trained administrators called civil servants, IFS, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Civil Service, Indian Police Service, all these are the persons, the trained administrators who help them, who implement the policies, and a large police force is there, as you know, who enforce the rules and regulations which are declared by the government. So, a puro sector take is called the Union Public Service Commission or short में UPSC, short note आ सकते हैं. Now, I'll give you some definitions. What is a coalition government? We'll talk about it. देखो, when no political party, suppose Trinamool and BJP are fighting for an election, but no political party wins absolute majority in the Lok Sabha. Then, actually, Trinamool is not in the Lok Sabha, whatever. Then a number of parties join together to form the government because none of them has got complete majority, and that government is called the coalition government. Then there is impeachment. Impeachment is this process by which, it's a special process by which the president or the vice president is removed from the office on grounds of misconduct, inappropriate behavior or violation of the constitution. হ্যাঁ এতক্ষণ চলছিল এই আমি বন্ধ করেছি প্রচন্ড জল পড়ে গেছে ex officio chairperson. The vice president is not an official member of the Rajya Sabha, as I told you. Ex officio chairperson means the person is not an official member of the Rajya Sabha. He presides over the Rajya Sabha as an unofficial member, but still he presides, then is called the ex officio chairperson. Then we can talk about another two things, which are the contingency fund. What do you mean by it? It means hamesha an amount of money is kept by the president to meet any unforeseen expenditure during the emergency situation of the country. ये जो पैसा रखा जाता है to meet any contingent events, अचानक आ गया कोई अर्थक्वेक आ गया तो उसके लिए तो बहुत सारा पैसा जाएगा ना, तो वो कहाँ से आएगा? सो फॉर दैट अ फंड इज मेंटेन्ड. So that is known as the contingency fund. Then there is the ordinance. It is an order issued by the executive when the parliament is not in session. Ordinances have the force of an act of parliament. Ordinance, which is like it has the same force as an act of the parliament, but it was not in session, turant we had to take a decision, take it through ordinances. However, they must be passed by the parliament in the new session. Session शुरू होने का 6 हफ्ता के अंदर उसको पास कराना पड़ेगा. If not, the ordinance is no longer in force.